Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I love doing dupes and things like that and thinking about alternatives and things like that. So for today, I thought I'd talk about some of my favorite expensive products and then good dupes or alternatives I have for them. Some of these products are crazy expensive. So if you add all these up, I can save you some big time money. So let me start with the first one, which is a product I actually really enjoy. Biossance, their Squalane Omega Repair Cream, which this brand was recently thrown into bankruptcy from its owner, Amyris, which is also the company that owns Pipette, and they got repurchased, I think, by the Hut Group. Bad sign for the future. The Hut Group is not one of my favorite companies. But anyway, I love this moisturizer. It's 60 bucks. We've got Ceramide, Shea Butter, Squalane, Vitamin E, and Jojoba Esters. It's wonderful. No fragrance in it or anything like that. But it is pricey, so I've got a nice alternative, which is 42 bucks. That's still kind of expensive, but it still will save you some money because this brand is sold at Ulta, which has sales a little bit more frequently. The Kopari Ceramide Whipped Cream. This one's also got Ceramide, Shea Butter, Squalane, Vitamin E, Jojoba Oil, and Watermelon Oil. So it's got a lot of good things in common. It's really nice, really hydrating, great creamy texture to it. And it works really nicely. I really like this one during the winter time. So, I mean, it's a little bit of a price difference. Not a whole ton, but if you get on sale at Ulta, then it starts to add up a little bit faster. So, okay, next up, coming in at $125, which is still not the most expensive product on this list. I've got the Allies of Skin Peptides and Firming Antioxidant. Allies of Skin Peptides and Antioxidants Firming Daily Treatment. It's a mouthful. So, the main exciting ingredients in here are niacinamide honey, tetrahexyldecyl, Ascorbate, I apologize, Lactobacillus, Ferment, Peptides, and then Astaxanthin, which is a great strong antioxidant. I love this product. I use it in the daytime, but I actually typically end up using it more at night. Kind of weird, but I just find it super hydrating, so I really enjoy it. And for a nice alternative to it, it's 68 bucks. It's the Tula Protectant Plump Firming and Hydrating Face Cream. So this one's about half the price, but honestly, 68 bucks is still kind of expensive. So, although I've got another moisturizer coming up in the next few ones that's really wonderful and really affordable as well. So in here, we've also got niacinamide, we've also got honey, we've also got the Tetrahexyldecyl Ascorbate, we've got hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So this one, I will link to this one below. It's also got the nice creamy texture to it and really wonderful. And I don't know, Tula, this brand is hit or miss, but this is definitely a winner from them. Not everything is, but I don't have anything I absolutely hate from them, so take it as I say it or whatever, or something like that. Take it or leave it, I don't know. Okay, next up, coming in at 45 bucks. You know what's weird? This looks off-center. The Glow Recipe Avocado Skin Soothing Barrier Serum with Ceramides. Does the picture look up? You know what, though? Honestly, I'm crooked, so if you look at me, I'm crooked and everything. When I took my driver's license picture a couple of years ago, I had me take it like 10 times because I was crooked in all of them. And the same thing with the passport picture. I think they made me take that like 20 times because that one has to be really bad. And then you can't smile at all, which is really hard to not smile and be crooked at the same time. Anyway, so this one's 45 bucks. So in here we've got Ceramides, Vitamin E, Avocado Oil, Cholesterol, Turmeric, Green Tea, Vitamin C Derivative, Ascorbyl Palmitate. It's really nice, although it does have some fragrant extracts. It is unscented, but it is not fragrance free. There is a big difference there. And a nice alternative is 20 bucks. It's the Round Lab Soybean Serum. I really enjoy this one. So in here we've also got ceramides, we've got the vitamin E, we've got cholesterol, and then we've got a different vitamin C derivative in this one, which is the Ascorbyl glucoside. So pretty affordable. This one's over half the price. And it's really lovely, and if you haven't tried it, check it out. I did a full review of this one as well. Really wonderful K-Beauty serum. It's super nice. And I really love that Hygiene Natural Repair serum, but it seems like it might have been discontinued because now I used to be able to find it here, and here, and then for a while I was like here, and now it's like nowhere, which is sad. So one thing that frustrates me about K-Beauty and skincare in general, although I seem to notice it more with K-Beauty stuff, is yeah, they tend to reformulate things or change things and get rid of stuff. I should have bought like 100 of them. Anyway, yeah. Okay. Next up, so this is hands down the most expensive product on the list. The Skin Better Alto Defense Serum. It's 170 bucks. I bought it from my esthetician. probably wouldn't have bought it if I wasn't buying it from her, but anyway, it is really nice. It's just an antioxidant serum, so I've got a really nice alternative to it. It does share some common ingredients, but they're a little bit different, but I do have a really good alternative to it. So anyway, so in this one, we've got superoxide dismutase, we've got ceramides, fatty acids, vitamin E, and jojoba esters. So it's really nice, no scent to it. And for an alternative, the Niode Survival Zero or the SPF 30, whichever one you like, this one is great alternative. It doesn't share a ton of ingredients. It shares the superoxide dismutase, but this one also contains astaxanthin, jojoba oil, and amino acids, and tomato and things like that. So it's really wonderful. I mean, they share some similarities in the purpose of the product. They share one ingredient in common, but their purpose and their texture and my appreciation for both of them is pretty much the same. So this one's 20 bucks, and I really enjoyed it. Actually, it's a little bit lighter texture. It's a little bit more friendly, and the 30 or 20 are great for like just using under foundation or during the winter. Okay, next up, coming in at 42 bucks, I got the In Beauty Elastic Serum, which is also known as the Firming and Plumping Serum, and it's really lovely. The packaging is beautiful. I love the packaging. It's 42 bucks. Really good ingredients in here. I just reviewed it probably about a week ago, so you can certainly check that out. Peptides, lots of peptides, copper peptides, centella, beta-glucan, panthenol, icosanorin. I apologize. I don't want to wake him up because then he'll be like that the whole video. So anyway, wonderful. I love this stuff. Really happy with this brand. So I do have an alternative to it, which is 22 bucks. So it's 20 bucks less, and that's a Ceramides Azulene Peptide Ampule. I will, with a caveat, say it does contain lavender. So it has a light fragrance. It dissipates quickly, and I typically don't like fragrance, but I tolerate it in this one actually pretty good because I like the ingredients in here. So in here, we've also got peptides. We've got the copper peptides. Then we've got madecassoside, which is a component from centella. Then we've also got the beta-glucan, and we've also got the panthenol, but then we got the added fragrance. So if you're super sensitive, it's going to be an issue, but if not, I actually typically, if I look on my counter, I'd say almost everything on here is fragrance-free, maybe with the exception of this one, and I'm sure there's one other thing that has fragrance in it, but it's not popping out to me if it is. And yeah, so I'm done with this video. I need to clean my counter off because I'm running out of room. Okay, next up, we've got the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Gel Cream, which is wonderful. It's 45 bucks, so it's still relatively affordable for some people, I guess. It's all relative, so it's relatively affordable for some people. It's still a lot, but the dupe I've got is amazing. And it's also a great dupe for the Drunk Elephant Protini. So in here, we've got amino acids, we've got ascorbic acid, we've got sodium hyaluronic, we've got peptides, we've got vitamin E. For the dupe is a product I recently just finished, and I just put my order in this morning at YesStyle to reorder it. It's the Neogen Hyar Exosome Cream. It's 17 bucks. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend trying it. It is wonderful. I hope they keep it around, so I need everyone to buy it so they don't stop carrying it because I love it. It's a great dupe for other products as well. It's just full of good stuff. It's got amino acids, ascorbic acid, sodium hyaluronic, peptides, vitamin E. It's also got resveratrol, it's got ferulic acid, it's got folic acid. It's a wonderful cream, and I heard from a couple of you last week that ordered it finally, so keep me posted on how it is. It is amazing. It's a great Drunk Elephant Protini dupe, except I like it more. So, and it's about $50 less. Okay, last but not least, I have the Pharmacy Brighten Up 3% Tranexamic Acid Brightening Toner, which is 34 bucks. So in here we also obviously have tranexamic acid. We've got glucolactolone, we've got azelaic acid and ascorbic acid. It's quite nice, but it's on the pricey side. So for a nice alternative to that, for 15 bucks is the Versed Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Solution, 15 bucks. So in here, we've also got the azelaic acid. We have a exfoliant glycolic acid. And then instead of ascorbic acid in here, we've got magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. So this one is about 20 bucks less, and it's really nice. It's also got some fruit extracts, bearberry extract, and things like that. So yeah, so if you're looking to brighten things up, it's also got niacinamide, bearberry, green tea, It's very nice. So anyway, so these are some of my picks for saving some money. Obviously, the most pricey ones, this stuff's expensive. The Skin Better, they have some nice stuff. Worth checking out. So anyway, interested hearing from you guys. If you have any dupes or favorites or any questions, leave them below. And I will see you guys more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.